Well, my name's Max, and welcome back to FX Axe, where we cut through the trees of FX platforms so you can actually see the wood. Every broker that steps out onto the stump gets judged across the same 5 pillars in the same order every time. No smoke, no mirrors, just clean cuts. Today's timber, ATFX. A broker that likes to dress itself in institutional steel while still courting retail traders worldwide. Founded in 2017 and expanding aggressively across Europe, Australia, Africa, the Middle East and offshore jurisdictions, ATFX has built a reputation for strong regulation, serious research tools and polished execution. But does it swing like forged iron or bend like cheap alloy once you put pressure on the edge? Don't forget to use the timestamps below if something particularly catches your eye. But of course, on your head be it, should you miss one of the more poignant puns. Let's sharpen the blade and find out. So safety and deposits withdrawals. ATFX is first and foremost a safety first broker. This is not a fly-by-night offshore shop hiding behind a PO box and a prayer. The brand operates under a genuinely impressive regulatory umbrella. FCA in the UK, CISEC in Europe, ASIC in Australia, FSCA in South Africa, SCA in the UAE, plus offshore coverage in Mauritius and St. Vincent's. That means segregated client funds, negative balance protection in regulated regions, and proper compliance procedures. For traders under top-tier regulators, this is reinforced steel. For offshore clients, you still benefit from the brand's global compliance culture, even if investor compensation schemes don't apply. Deposits and withdrawals are refreshingly boring, which in FX is a compliment. Cards, bank wires, and e-wallets are all supported. There's no crypto funding here, which will disappoint some, but it is consistent with ATFX's conservative regulatory stance. Deposits were instant in testing, and withdrawals were processed within 24 hours, once approved. No hidden fees, no surprise delays, no please resend the document circus. Our verdict? ATFX handles clients' money like forged iron. Not flashy, but solid, dependable, and very hard to break. We've given that a mighty 8.5. So on to fees and transparency. This is where ATFX starts to feel institutional. On entry-level accounts, spreads are wider than many competitors. The micro and classic accounts are commission-free, yes, but Euro and USD spreads north of 2 pips won't thrill active traders. The flip side, ATFX isn't hiding anything. Spreads, commissions, margin requirements and swap rates are clearly laid out. No foggy pricing, no mystery markups, no fine print ambush. Once you set up to the raw account, pricing tightens considerably, with near zero spreads and a $7 per lot commission. Execution quality here is excellent, but the catch is a $10,000 minimum deposit, which puts premium pricing firmly behind a steel gate. So the transparency is strong, but accessibility to the best conditions is somewhat limited. Our verdict? Clear, honest pricing. But you'll need a heavier hammer to unlock the best metal. Not sure about that metaphor, but let's give it a 7 out of 10. So the platform and asset range. ATFX doesn't reinvent the wheel, it tempers it properly. You get MT4, MT5 and a clean web trader, all tightly integrated into the client portal. MT4 remains the workhorse for FX traders, while MT5 opens the door to deeper market depth and broader asset coverage. Execution was fast and stable across sessions, with no requotes or platform hiccups during testing, even during higher volatility. Asset range is broad enough for most traders. Forex, indices, commodities, metals, shares, and crypto CFDs, which are of course jurisdiction dependent. This isn't the biggest product list in the market, but it's well curated and liquid. Where ATFX really sharpens the blade is the trading central integration. This isn't fluff. It's institutional grade technical analysis baked directly into the platform. Trade ideas, pattern recognition, sentiment tools, all usable, all relevant. The verdict? No gimmicks, no toys, just properly forged tools that do the job. A very solid 8.5. So customer service. Customer support is one of ATFX's strongest cuts. Live chat connected almost instantly with knowledgeable human agents, not scripted parrots. Queries were answered clearly and escalation was handled professionally. One agent even proactively offered a call with an account manager, which is rare and appreciated. Support is multilingual, 24/5 and backed by regional offices and phone lines. The support hub is well organised with tutorials, FAQs and walkthroughs that actually help rather than confuse. This feels like a broker that understands long-term client relationships, not just deposits. So it's sharp, responsive and well trained. Customer service done properly. We've given that a 9 out of 10. To the unique selling points. ATFX doesn't scream for attention, it earns it quietly. The standout USPs are institutional grade research, deep regulatory footprint, and strong education ecosystem. Trading Central alone puts it ahead of many retail-focused brokers, and the structured learning materials make it suitable for newer traders who want to build properly. It also bridges retail and institutional worlds better than most, offering accessible accounts at the bottom end and serious infrastructure at the top. What it doesn't offer are flashy bonuses, crypto funding, or ultra-low entry barriers. This is deliberate and consistent with the brand. Our verdict is not the loudest axe in the forest, but it's one of the best balanced. Another very respectable 8 out of 10. The final FX axe verdict. ATFX is forged, not flashy. It won't appeal to bonus hunters or ultra-low budget scalpers, but for traders who value regulation, execution quality, research tools, and reliable support, it's a genuinely strong option. Think of ATFX like a well-made iron axe head. Heavier than some, more expensive than others, but dependable when it counts. And if you're trading with size, consistency, or long-term intent, this is a broker that deserves a place in the tool rack. We've given that an overall very solid 8.2. And if you choose to open an account with ATFX using our affiliate link, it helps support FXAX at no extra cost to you, keeping the blades sharp and the reviews honest. As always, trade responsibly and only risk what you can afford to lose. From FXAX, I'm Max. See you next time at the sharp end.